continue. How is your prayer life? As a Christian, all your failures, all your troubles, all your failure, your troubles, your sickness, your demon visited a night, spiritual husband, spiritual wife, every failure, you failed the school, anything that takes you pain now, stress that you have is linked to prayerlessness. Because if you as 80% full package of your life, you have solved your problems. Hallelujah. So the first question that I have for you, how is your prayer life? Because prayer is life. Hallelujah. Many Christians, they don't pray at all. Can I say this again? Many of us are Satanists at all. In the spiritual, makuna letters are spiritual. Umi ngekho lento esibiza ukuthi consistency, angazi ukuthi ngesulu. Nge-consistency, ne-persistence. Lord, I was existent. But if you come here by Sunday, you pray. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you don't pray. That prayer will never ever be effective because you pray only when it's Sunday. So in the spirit, ubekwa inconsistency. We are Can I teach you something about the spirit? You know how God works? God doesn't work like us. God agachahile like us. God is more than patience because it's God. Because patience is a part of fruit of the spirit. Unkulunkulu akadinga ama fruit of the spirit to operate. Meaning as well as unkulunkulu can be patient. So unkulunkulu as categorize ukuthi you have waited enough. Unkulunkulu does his will. Kushuthi noma ngabe wena ungame kangakanani for what you want, it will never be happened ngoba akukho in his will. So what is important about prayer? You pray the will of God upon your life. Can I ask the question? What is happening now in your life is the will of God? Hello? In your life now is the will of God in now? No, the answer is what? Is no. Now, meaning you've been praying so long, but you are failing to pray according to God's will. But hallelujah. Many Christians are still ignorant when it comes to prayer. You can fight a man